Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for all the new subscribers. Thank you for all the persons who have commented on my last video. And thank you for those persons who have been watching and continuing to support the channel. Now guys, today as you can see, I am in the kitchen and I will be preparing fried chicken. So if it is something that you would like to see, please stick around. I have already gone ahead and cut my chicken into smaller pieces, washed with vinegar, and seasoned from overnight so that it can be marinated. Now, some of the seasons that I had used are some scallion, some onion, garlic, hot pepper, and I had used also some all-purpose season, some chicken season, black pepper, and some garlic powder. And you can go ahead and add in any other seasoning that you know will go well with chicken. Now, guys, if you're not able to marinate overnight, you can marinate for 1 to 2 hours before cooking. Here I have some flour and I'm pouring some into a bowl. Now I am adding some powdered seasoning into the flour. These are the same powdered seasons, guys, that I had used to season the chicken. So like your all-purpose season, your chicken season, black pepper, don't forget your salt to taste, and any other season that you know will go well with chicken because you want to get that flour mixture tasting really good. So when you bite into that chicken, you want to have that same taste on the outside, on the inside too. So you can just go ahead and you can adjust your seasoning as you go along. If you don't want it too spicy or having too much season, you hold back a little bit. Now I am mixing the flour along with all of the powdered seasoning. So you want to get everything mixed in properly. Then I will be adding the marinated chicken in one by one into the flour mixture. Guys, remember, don't forget your salt to taste. Here I have the pot that I will be using to fry the chicken in, and I'm pouring in some oil. I'm using a generous amount that I know will have the chicken halfway or almost covered. So while the oil is being heated, I'm going to be taking the chicken pieces and placing them into the flour mixture, the seasoned flour mixture. And guys, I don't like when my ground season is fried with the chicken. So what you'll see me do from time to time, I'll just take a fork and I will take off the ground season like the scallion and the onion as much as I can, and I'll place them into the flour. Now I am adding the pieces of chicken into the seasoned flour, and guys, you want to ensure that the chicken or all of the chicken has the flour mixture on it. So don't be afraid to get your hands in and stir in the chicken pieces as best as possible into the flour. Next, I have some garlic and some scotch bonnet pepper that I will be sauteing in the oil just before I fry the chicken. Now I am allowing the garlic and the hot pepper to fry in the oil before I put in the chicken because I want to extract all of that extra flavoring from the garlic and the hot pepper so that when you put the chicken in, the chicken now will absorb all of that flavoring from the oil. Now I am adding in my first batch of chicken pieces into the pot, and I'm going to allow them to fry until golden brown. I will be adding in just about 4 pieces or so into the pot. Now I am going to allow the chicken to fry for about 5 to 10 minutes on each side or until golden brown. I like to keep the pot covered so that while it is frying, the chicken is kept juicy and moistened. So I am now checking in on the chicken again. So guys, look at it. It's looking good so far. So what I'm doing now, I'm turning them over so that the other side can be fried as well and allow it to continue frying. Now I am ensuring that the chicken is fried properly. So what I'm doing, guys, I'm just turning them over, and any side that I see that is not fried properly, I will turn it over to allow that side to continue frying. And I'm not going to cover the pot now, guys. All right. So I'm just going to leave it open as it is. So guys, now I am checking on the chicken again, and all of the pieces have been fried and looking very good so far. So what I'm doing now, I'm taking them out, and then I will be placing in another batch of chicken to fry. I won't be showing the second batch of chicken while it is frying. However, I'm going to go ahead now and plate the fried chicken, and I will be serving it today with some rice and peas, some steamed string beans, and some tomatoes. So guys, there you have it. Look at it. It's looking very delicious. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Please remember to give me a thumbs up. And also, guys, leave me a comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.